Hello students, today we are going to discuss the very important topic of organic chemistry, that is phenol. This compound is also known as carbolic acid. Phenol is also known as carbolic acid. The structural formula for the phenol is chemical formula is C6H5OH. In phenol, the oxygen of the OH group is bonded to sp2 hybridized carbon atom. ये बात सबको क्लियर हो जानी चाहिए. OH ग्रुप में जो ऑक्सीजन है, it is bonded to the carbon of the benzene ring, and this carbon is sp2 hybridized. Now first of all, we will discuss the preparation of phenol. How can we prepare phenol? There are so many methods to prepare this compound. Today I am telling you 3 or 4 methods how to prepare this important compound. The very first method is we can prepare it from chlorobenzene. Chlorobenzene. You all know the formula for chlorobenzene is C6H5Cl. When we treat this chlorobenzene with sodium hydroxide at the 623 Kelvin and 300 atmospheric pressure, these are the conditions, we obtain C6H5ONa. This is sodium phenoxide. This species is known as sodium phenoxide, which on treating with hydrochloric acid converted into phenol. I repeat, chlorobenzene hai. This is the molecule is chlorobenzene. When we react this with NaOH, sodium hydroxide, these are the conditions. We will be obtaining sodium phenoxide first, which on treatment with HCl will give us phenol. Beta phenol, when phenol will lose one H ion, the resulting species we are obtaining is known as phenoxide ion. Phenoxide ion. So therefore the name of this compound is sodium phenoxide. The second important preparation for phenol is from benzene diazonium chloride. It is C6H5N2Cl. This is benzene diazonium chloride. Earlier we have discussed this compound when we prepare benzene diazonium chloride from aniline by the process of diazotization. So this is benzene diazonium chloride treated with water. यहाँ पर we can write, ये हीट किया हमने इसको, then we are obtaining again phenol. Phenol. The side products are nitrogen and HCl. So the first method is from chlorobenzene we can prepare phenol. Second method is from benzene diazonium chloride also we can prepare phenol. Now the third preparation from benzene sulfonic acid. The formula for benzene sulfonic acid is C6H5SO3H. This is benzene sulfonic acid. Benzene sulfonic acid. When treated with NaOH, and this H ion is showing the presence of any acid, then it is converting into phenol. This is the third preparation for phenol. In this is benzene sulfonic acid. We obtain benzene sulfonic acid from benzene when we react benzene with oleum. Then this benzene sulfonic acid, on heating with sodium hydroxide in presence of any acid, gives us alcohol. This is aromatic alcohol, which is known as phenol. The another important preparation for phenol is from cumene. This is a new compound for you people, cumene. Cumene is also known as isopropyl benzene. This is isopropyl benzene. The formula for cumene is this is isopropyl group, meth, eth, prop, 3 carbon atoms are present here. If I write these carbon atoms in the straight way form, then it is normal propyl. Here it is isopropyl. So this is isopropyl benzene. This isopropyl benzene is oxidized in presence of air. Then we are obtaining cumene hydroperoxide. Compound जो हमें यहाँ मिलता है, this is cumene hydroperoxide. This is the compound. इस कंपाउंड का नाम क्यूमीन हाइड्रोपेरऑक्साइड है. क्यूमीन हाइड्रोपेरऑक्साइड. It is converted into phenol. This compound can be converted into phenol, and the side product we obtain will be acetone. This is the example of ketone, RCOR. ये side product होगा when we treat cumene hydroperoxide with dilute acid, which is followed by hydrolysis.